Iraq's banking sector and global financial relations, a comprehensive analysis. Welcome back to IQD to VND. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so, as we're aiming for 200 subscribers in just 10 days. Today, we have some crucial updates that could reshape Iraq's financial landscape. If you've been following Iraq's economy, particularly its banking sector and international financial relations, this article is for you. There are major developments happening behind the scenes, and understanding them is essential for anyone interested in Iraq's financial future. This article will break down the latest regulations from the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, updates on Iraq's relationship with the U.S. Treasury and the Federal Reserve, and the impact of international financial policies on Iraq's banking system. Stay with us as we explore these key financial changes and their potential effects on Iraq's economy. Iraq's banking sector and the role of the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI. The Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, plays a crucial role in maintaining financial stability in the country. Recently, the CBI has held high-level meetings with representatives from the Iraqi Treasury and the U.S. Federal Reserve. These meetings have focused on several critical areas, including the management and regulation of international transactions, particularly those involving the U.S. dollar, Iraq's dependence on international correspondent banks, and the efforts to maintain confidence in its financial institutions, measures to enhance Iraq's banking system, ensuring that it remains integrated into the global financial network. A key concern is that if Iraq loses access to international financial systems, it could seriously hinder its economic growth. As a result, maintaining strong ties with global financial institutions is a priority. However, there are significant challenges as well. Some Iraqi banks are facing restrictions when it comes to international transactions, and these limitations have raised concerns about the future of Iraq's financial system. Restrictions on Iraqi banks. Fact versus rumors. Recently, there have been widespread rumors suggesting that certain Iraqi banks have been completely cut off from international financial networks. However, the CBI has urged the public to rely on official statements rather than speculation. Understanding the restrictions. Some Iraqi banks have been restricted from conducting international transactions, particularly in U.S. dollars. These restrictions do not mean a complete cutoff. Instead, they are aimed at ensuring compliance with international financial regulations. Iraq's financial authorities are working to address these challenges and restore confidence in the banking system. Misinformation spreads quickly, especially in the online world. That's why it's important to stay updated with verified news sources and avoid making financial decisions based on unverified reports. Kurdistan's role in Iraq's financial stability. The Kurdish region plays a significant role in Iraq's economy, particularly in oil production and exports. Recently, new budget discussions have introduced updated oil export rates that could have a major impact on Iraq's economy. Why this matters: oil remains the cornerstone of Iraq's economy, and any changes in export policies can influence Iraq's financial standing. The new rates could enhance Kurdistan's ability to generate revenue, contributing to greater financial stability. If implemented successfully, these reforms could strengthen Iraq's position in the global financial market. Many experts believe that these changes will boost Iraq's economic growth and reduce financial uncertainty in the region. However, much depends on how effectively these policies are implemented. Iran's banking policies and their impact on Iraq. In a major development, Iran's central bank has prohibited 5 of its local banks from conducting transactions in U.S. dollars. This decision has significant implications for Iraq, as both countries share strong financial ties. Why Iran's decision matters for Iraq. The U.S. dollar is one of the most critical currencies in global trade. Iraq relies heavily on international banking systems to conduct financial transactions. If similar restrictions extend to Iraqi banks, it could create new economic challenges for the country. This decision by Iran follows a pattern of increasing financial restrictions imposed by the U.S. on certain Iraqi banks. The goal of these measures is to limit financial transactions linked to sanctioned countries like Iran. As a result, Iraq must navigate complex international regulations while ensuring that its banking sector remains stable. U.S. sanctions and their effect on Iraq's banking system. In early 2023, the U.S. government imposed sanctions on several Iraqi banks for allegedly facilitating the transfer of U.S. dollars to Iran. This move was part of a broader U.S. strategy to prevent financial misconduct and enforce international sanctions. Challenges for Iraqi banks. Several Iraqi banks have been cut off from the U.S. dollar auction, which is a key source of foreign currency. Without access to U.S. dollars, Iraqi banks must explore alternative financial systems, such as trading in euros, British pounds, or regional currencies. The CBI has imposed its own restrictions, preventing certain banks from conducting U.S. dollar transactions. Despite these challenges, Iraq is actively working to adapt by strengthening financial regulations and improving transparency. However, these measures take time to implement, and their success will depend on global financial cooperation. Looking ahead, Iraq's financial future. As Iraq faces financial uncertainty, the country must make strategic decisions to ensure long-term stability. Here are some key areas to watch. 1. Strengthening banking regulations. The CBI must continue enforcing strict financial regulations to improve international trust in Iraq's banking system. 2. Expanding trade partnerships. Iraq should explore new trade relationships outside the U.S. dollar system, such as increasing transactions in regional currencies. 3. Encouraging foreign investment. By creating a more stable financial environment, Iraq can attract foreign investors and boost economic growth. 4. Maintaining U.S. relations. While Iraq must diversify its financial options, maintaining a positive relationship with the U.S. Treasury and the Federal Reserve is essential for long-term financial stability. Conclusion. What's next for Iraq? Iraq is at a critical crossroads when it comes to its financial future. The country faces major challenges, but also has opportunities to grow and strengthen its economy. By adopting strong financial policies, ensuring regulatory compliance, and expanding global trade partnerships, Iraq can overcome financial barriers and build a more resilient economy. Your thoughts? How do you think the new banking restrictions will affect Iraq's economy? What steps should Iraq take to strengthen its financial sector? Will the Kurdish oil export changes help boost Iraq's financial stability? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below and let us know what you think. If you found this article useful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates on Iraq's financial news. Thank you for reading, and we'll see you in the next update.